She's doing tummy time.
She's cold.
Hi, Amelia. Oh, there's Evie. Gentle. Gentle. Lifting your head up a little bit.
Well, hold.
No, not hold her right now. In a little bit. Okay? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Amelia. Really, Mills? You lifting your head up? You're so strong. You're only 11 days old. Hmm? You're going to be growing up before you know it. What you got there, Evs? That's baby doll? Oh, you look like you're getting tired. That's enough tummy time, huh? Is that enough tummy time? Hmm? Hmm? All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, Ev.